Hello everyone. I hope everybody is tensed about the examinations. There are many questions arising in the students community that the JEE 2021 will be conducted in two phases or not. The very first question arising in the students is whether the 2021 mains will be conducted two phases or not. First thing. Second thing, if it is conducted two phases, will it happen in the January first week or not? Or will it be postponed? Okay. Second thing, if it is conducted and two phases, if it is postponed, then when it is the expected date? So if these are the questions prevailing in your mind, then we got some official news about this. Okay. So you are at the Whichchem YouTube channel, and here I am going to give you some official news about the anything related to the exam conducting on 2021. Okay, I think all of you are aware that those who are not able to attempt the advanced examination in the 2020 are not sure that they have attempted with the full strength. Now IITs have given one more additional chance to them. Okay, so if you are not aware, you can kindly update yourself. If you are not if you're thinking that the 2020 advanced examination you could not perform well due to the COVID epidemic, then you will be given a definitely one more chance. There are maximum chances are increased by one more. That means you can again appear in the 2021 advanced examination. Okay, so you got one more bright chance. And why you should drop for that for joining to the advanced examination? Because there is a lot of difference in fees. If you join in IIT or NIT, the expenditure, and you join a most reputed private college also, then there is a lot of difference in the fees. Okay, you can save around 22 to 23 lakhs. How you can save if you join an NIT? I have made a video, because there is a fee remission. Okay, when you join a NIT or IIT, you can complete your course at the very cheapest cost with comparison to a reputed college, private college. Okay, so what is the fees of IITs, what are the fees of the NITs, how you can apply for the fee remission, what will be the effective fees of IITs and NITs, and how you can save 20 to 23 lakhs, that I have explained, and you can go through that video. I will give you that link in the description box. Let us come back to our topic, whether this 2021 examination. Okay, today is 21, and JAB, Joint Admission Board of the IITs, all IITs, every year there will be admission criteria, admission process is handed over to one of the IITs. Okay, like 2020 was conducted by the IIT Delhi. Now 2021 responsibilities are given to the Kharagpur IIT. Okay, so in the Kharagpur IIT is going to conduct, and recently IIT Delhi has handed over its responsibilities to IIT Kharagpur. Now today there is a joint admission board meeting, and the main point of that meeting is regarding the conduct of 2021 advanced examination. Okay, so what are the points they have collected from the CBSE? CBSE have given them a hint that they have reduced the 30% syllabus, and there are chances that CBSE board exam may be postponed. Okay, but in their mind there is thinking that if they postpone further, already this year a lot of impact is there in the first year student of the BTech, because they are going to get very less time. So considering the current year problems, and it should not be continued in the forthcoming years, so they may be postponed, but they may not be more like in the 2020. That means there is a chance of 10 to 15 days, maximum 1 month, because every year in the November only, for the January examination, November only you will get a notification and registration of the registration for the first phase of IIT mains will be completed by this time. Okay, so but till now there is no such notification from the JEE mains, and don't mingle yourself with the JEE mains and advance, because JEE mains conducting responsibility is with the NTA, and advanced conducting is definitely separately with the IITs. Okay, so there is no link between the JEE mains and JEE advanced. Conducting authorities itself is very different, but what they do, JEE mains will be completely depending on the advanced examination. So today's outcome of the meeting is going to be very crucial. So what the decision they may take, either they will reduce the syllabus and conduct the examination on the date. If they happen to conduct on the date, then there are less chances of postpone of the JEE mains 2021. Okay, so they may take 30% reduction given by the CBSE board. Already CBSE board reduced the syllabus. What is the board exam syllabus? Everything I have uploaded a video how to what is the current week syllabus. Okay, till now, till the date, that syllabus is only for the clearly mentioned in the circular of the CBSE that is strictly only for this year and only for the board examination. Whether NEET will take that into the consideration, IIT mains will take into consideration, or IIT advanced will take into consideration is yet to be confirmed, and mostly today it is going to be finalized, because once IIT advanced JAB, Joint Admission Board, takes as a grant for 30% reduction, definitely mains is also going to implement and NEET is also going to implement. Okay, so like this current internal news, what is going on behind the screens, if you want to know, just if you are new to this channel, subscribe this channel and you will know current and most useful and genuine authenticated information. Okay, so I think you can cross check also. I will also show the where from I got this news, and internal news is that they have taken the syllabus from the board examination, CBSE board, and they may implement. Okay, so 70% chances are there reducing the advanced syllabus as per the CBSE board syllabus, but it may not be exactly same. Something may be added. Okay, because it should not impact your BTech IIT BTech syllabus. Okay, because they already we have seen lot of our All India rank advanced 2020 topper itself could not take the seat in the he is not interested to join IIT. So it gone very bad into the Indian education Indian education. He already joined MIT and he is not joining the out of the 10 students, top 10 students of IIT Advanced, only 7 students opted for the IITs. That means 3 students are not interested. That means 30% of the top 10 if not interested in our IIT, not worried about our Indian Indian research technology, then what our education system is going in which direction? So they don't want to reduce the quality of the IIT. Already there is a questions raised on the quality of the education imparted by the IIT, because it is completely when our IIT topper fellow is interviewed, he told he already joined the MIT in the January 2020 itself. Okay, but still prepared for the advanced examination. Okay, and he got selected. He is a first ranker. He should be an ideal to all students, but in a twist he joined the MIT. Okay, so that means they have to, IITs will think in that aspect also, what they are getting extra and what is the system, what is the quality given by the MIT, and they also wanted to improve the quality of the education in the IITs. So in that direction they don't want to reduce the quality. So but still by considering the COVID epidemic, they may reduce the syllabus, but mostly there are small postponement be there in the advanced examination. Once advanced examination is postponed, then automatically IIT mains date will come out, and don't believe in the rumors. Okay, so there are lot of encouraging thumbnails that JEE 2021 mains date is published, postponed, and like that lot of thumbnails will be created. But you should forward this video to all those students, those who are really hardworking, really wanted to know the genuine news, and it is going to help you also. Okay, so I hope all of you will do that. And if you are new to this channel, subscribe and don't forget to press bell icon. And as a customary of the Vijchem YouTube channel, you should start every video with a like. Okay, and if it is conducted in the January first week, second week, maximum I expect there are 99% no chances of cancelling the first phase. It will be conducted in the first phase only, but it instead of first week of the January, it may be 15th, or it may be second week, third week, fourth week. Okay, so for in that situation, what you have to do? In that situation, we got our program crash course. Okay, so if it is, you take it as a granted that January 5th is our last, January 5th is our examination date, then your preparation will be up to date, your preparation will be accurate. According to that, we have planned at Vijchem YouTube channel a crash course, one shot catalyzer crash course 2021. Okay, so where you will get all chapter in one lecture only. Okay, in one lecture, maximum of 2 hours, maximum 2.5 hours, because I will say that within 15 minutes I will complete the syllabus. Okay, it is not that some capsule you will put in your mouth and everything will be absorbed into your mind. Okay, so I will not miss any point in that 2 hours, 2.5 hours. Sometimes if it is a small chapter, it may be finished in 1 hour. Okay, and during that you should first of all you should understand the concept right from the beginning. Then you should come back and take the screenshot of every slide. Okay, because it is given in the form of the slides, so that you can save up your time and without missing the clarity. Okay, so after that, what you will do, take screenshot and make your own handwritten notes. That is going to be very helpful for the revision, because I say 5th January is examination conduct date. Okay, by luck, if it is postponed, that time you will use that short notes prepared by you. Understood? Because already I have researched, only 20% of the students are currently taking the examination as serious. Remaining 80% are waiting for the examination date, and I am definitely sure that they are not going to give you much time when the examination date come out. Okay, so instead of being a panic in that condition, you should prepare yourself for the January 5th is the final date, and by that time you will complete every chapter to the one shot series and write the notes. Be prepared with the short notes from the 5th January. If it is postponed, then in each and every chapter we got detailed notes, we got detailed topic wise lectures also. In the same video you will find in the description box that what is the detailed topic wise. Suppose every chapter is covered in 10 to 15, sometimes if it is a big chapter like electrochemistry, scoring 20 lectures. Okay, so during making notes also you will get doubt. I got some topic doubt like conductomeric titration, because that type of topics you need to go through the video lecture only. Understanding the graph from the book and understanding the graph from a video lecture, there is a lot of difference. Okay, so you point out in every chapter there will be some topics, you go through that, use that additional time from the 5th January itself, then it will be very useful and definitely upgrade your knowledge. This is the situation I am telling you, as if you have not at all started anything till now. Okay, so I hope all of you will continue to do that. don't assume yourself that exams will be postponed. Okay, if it is postponed, then it should be utilized to enhance your rank, to improve your score, but you should be ready for the worst situation, that is January 5th is the examination date. I hope all of you will do that and go through the every day. Suppose you keep 1 hour time, 8 to 9, 9 to 10, or early morning 5 to 6, 6 to 7, and daily 1 hour or 1.5 hour, one lecture. Okay, if you keep it for a long hours, you may lose your interest. Understood? So you pause your video after 1 hour or 45 minutes, then take a break and come back and again go through that lecture. I think all of you will do that. Now I will show you from where I got the information that JAB is going to be conducted today. Okay, so whether it is conducted and what will be the outcome, that I will let you know very short span of time, but sure that I will give you the official, accurate, authenticated confirmation. Okay, so I hope all of you already like this video. If not liked, kindly like this. See you, bye bye. All the best from Whichchem. Okay, here is the print education channel, education website. Here it says that the discussion on revised syllabus for JEE Advanced on agenda for IITs meet this week. Okay, so already there is a revision of the syllabus for the CBSE. Already I told you that I have given you the complete reduction syllabus, how to download the reduced syllabus from the CBSE website, and how to make the, already there is a papers, model papers also given by the CBSE itself with the complete marking scheme. If you write what point, how much marks you will get, sample question paper, and you already, it is link is provided in the YouTube video. That video I will give you in the description box. Go through that video and download the sample question paper. Not only for chemistry, for all subject you can download the sample question paper and practice yourself. Be available, be prepared for the board examination. Okay, that is coming to the board examination, and CBSE board examination papers are useful for the other boards also. Okay, so you can use for that also. Don't think that it is for CBSE and not useful for our board. Okay, you will get idea how to present your board examination answers. Already we have a CBSE board syllabus series. Okay, because in the organic people are not able to do the conversions, so how to make the conversions. Okay, and how to write the comprehension questions, paragraph questions in the organic. So that all tips are there in the YouTube channel of Whichchem. You can go through that also. Okay, so all will be given in the description box, so kindly go through that. That will be useful. See here it says that Joint Admission Board of IIT, the board that makes decision related to admission to IITs, scheduled to hold on the meeting of 21 November, where syllabus revision for the JEE Advanced will be among the matters discussed. Okay, so JEE Advanced mean for the IITs only. Okay, so there are news that doubts according to the agenda JAB meeting, a copy of which is already available. Okay, CBSE is being undertaken factors. Why this meeting is there? Because CBSE have changed the syllabus, changes introduced in the class 12 syllabus of PCM. What is the syllabus of PCM? That also you can download from the Whichchem YouTube channel. Okay, which eliminated repetitions in the curriculum which was taught to the students in 2020. Okay, so the revision was decided much before board reduced the syllabus for 2020 by almost 30%. Now I think you are assured that whatever the news I have given is authenticated, and don't forget to see through the description box. You will collect your most important information go through that, and if now till not subscribed, at least by this time I hope you will subscribe this channel. Press bell icon. Daily spend your quality half an hour to 1 hour time. Put a alarm like 8 o'clock in the pm is Whichchem time. Okay, so immediately you should join the Whichchem YouTube channel, select your own video lecture, go through that. Bye bye, see you, success in your life.